Hi viewers, today I'm going to do a unboxing and review of Omron Bronze blood pressure monitor. This I bought from Amazon for $32. And Omron is a popular brand for blood pressure monitoring devices. And if you're looking for what it does have a blood pressure monitor and a cuff ring. This is the upper arm one, and you have the instructions and quick starter guide, and you do get a batteries included in this, so which is good. Let me show you what we have inside. Okay, so you have the upper arm cuff, the device, and the quick starter, warranty, and all other paperworks. So that's all you get. And yes, I did put the batteries in, so you get the Toshiba batteries, so you are covered for the batteries part. So these are the quick starter guide. So this is upper arm. There are different type of blood pressure monitors which you can put it in your forearm or in your wrist, and this one is you need to put it on the upper arm. So you have the instructions how to install batteries and how to wear the upper arm cuff, and let me show you how to connect it. So you have this what is the tube which you need to connect first to this device here. So you just need to connect this first, and you need to put your arm inside it. So this is pretty big, so it should be suitable for most of the people, so which is good. So when you are putting it inside, keep this tube pointing outside, not on the inside. So and put it into your arm and twist. Once you put it inside, just press the start. Okay, then it automatically detects. You're not supposed to talk when you do this. You should be in rest and quiet. So I'm just showing it how it works, so you can see the motor running, and it's tightening my arm and it's taking the measurements. So this will record, I think, up to 10 or 11 measurements, so which you can compare. So once you're done with the reading, you can press this to see the previous readings. It does not have a date and time functionality, and but you can see the previous readings in this one. So that's about the blood pressure monitor. There is no on or off switch. It automatically turns off, and you cannot turn it on or off. It just start and stop. So this cuff can be used for 9 to 17-inch arm. So if you're looking for bigger arm, or if you have a bicep as Arnold, look for this inches which is compatible for you, then order that specific model. And the model number of this one is BP5100. So it will be better if I can show it here. Yep, so it is BP5100. So yes, definitely I will recommend this to anyone who is looking for a good upper arm basic blood pressure monitoring. Yes, you can go for Omron. And if you have any questions, please post it in my comment, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up, or if you don't like, give a thumbs down, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.